Hi guys, I just got my Addi knitting machine and I wanted to do an unboxing to show you what comes inside the box and first impression. Okay guys, so first things first is I ordered this off of Amazon a couple weeks ago during an Amazon sale. This is the Addi King size, by the way. So it looks like these are the little like mounts. These are the little legs. Stoppers, I don't know what that's for, but we'll find out. Extra parts for your Addi. And the actual knitting machine itself. This couldn't have came at a better time because my Centro knitting machine just broke. And I ordered a new Centro as well. So that should be in the mail tomorrow, actually. And then it looks like it comes with some sort of manual. Let's set this aside and let's put her together. That's the handle. It's so pretty. Okay, let me open these up real quick. These are like metal screw-ins, which is really cool. I probably should have gotten some scissors. Let me go get some. Right. Alrighty guys, I went ahead and I took off all the plastic off these little legs. Let's go ahead and put them on my Addi. So they look like they just screw in. I don't want to go too tight or anything because it still is plastic. Righty tighty, as they say. I hope you can see this on camera. But yeah, I was so excited, you guys. I couldn't wait to upgrade to an Addi. So originally I got a loops and thread. I got the Centro and then I got the Addi. My Centro broke. I just ordered a new Centro and it's Amazon, so it'll be here tomorrow. So everything couldn't have came at a better time. Perfect. Wow. So this is how she goes. She is so smooth. Okay, so the black, if you check your black needles coming up, that's probably, so this is your first one, and there's 46 pegs or teeth or hooks, whatever you want to call them. There's 46 whites, and I'm assuming there's three blacks. I'm not entirely sure if I would ever use these. I hope I never have to because I took apart my Centro and it was really difficult. And then I don't know what these stoppers are. Oh, okay. It looks like the stoppers are for when you're doing flat panels, which I haven't done flat panels on any of my knitting machines, but I think I might have to give it a go. So this is a analog. That's analog, right? Oh, I can't remember. Is that digital or analog? Your boy doesn't know what it's called. But anyways, it's a little turning number thing like my Centro. And I don't know. How do you turn it back? Oh my gosh. I don't even know how to work this thing. Oh, there it goes. Oh God. Okay. That's interesting. My Centro just has a little button. So we'll see how to work that. I'm assuming that this is, oh, it says for round circular knitting. So that's what I'll keep it on. But yeah, I'm excited to play with my new machine, you guys. I'll come back and do a separate video on how to cast on. And yeah, I'm gonna play around with it for a little bit, but let me know what you guys want to see out of this Addi knitting machine I got. All right, thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on real quick and tell you what was in the little booklet that came with my Addi. Basically, it's just an instruction manual on how to cast on, how to change colors. I was a little disappointed that there wasn't like any patterns or anything like that in the booklet, but that's okay. It is what it is. But thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to share this little clip with you guys. So yeah, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.